Hi, my name's Alexandria Lescavage. For my communities, I'm going to be talking about two institutions that I worked at in the field so far. I feel like for most of these introduction videos, I talk about my time at Children and Youth, but my time as a caseworker there really had a huge impact on me and kind of made me go into the social work field. Um, while working there, I was in the intake department. I was the one who would go out knocking on families' doors when a referral would come in about them. Um, I often got families into services. I held meetings with their extended family to try and come up with a plan together. It really meant a lot to me, the families that you could actually see that you were making an impact with, and the families that were bettering their situation. That really meant a lot to me, and I honestly would have stayed there possibly forever had it not been so emotionally tough. And also, I mean, you really can't survive on a caseworker's wage. But now I am currently working at the county assistant's office, which at first was a little tough for me because it's less hands-on. And I felt like I wasn't really helping people at first, but I've been there for 2 years now. I handle food stamps, medical assistance, cash assistance, and I also handle the children and youth medical assistance caseload. So I help connect families with resources in their community still, which means a lot to me, um, as well as connecting them with services that we have available through our own office. I really love being able to help people who don't really have the resources to help themselves, whether that be, a family history of it, or they got themselves in the situation. A lot of my clients, I feel, don't have somebody who will actually listen to them. Most people are just too quick to judge. So it really means a lot to me that I can be somebody for my clients. And yeah, I look forward to continuing in the field of social work.